How to change your name in LinkedIn. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your LinkedIn app and then head over to your profile in the top left corner and then tap on your name. Now you can see the pencil like icon in the right hand side beside your profile picture. Tap on it and then you can edit your name here. Just remove the name and then just put in the new name that you want to, and then hit done and hit save. And that's you go. It's as simple as that to change your name in LinkedIn. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.